Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, before we start learning today, let's pray together. Who is the captain class?
Before
We start
we start
learning.
learning
Please.
study,
Let's pray together.
let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi sholli wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidna ilma warzuqna fahma ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, thank you. Now, let's take attendance. Ahmad, Afwan,
Present.
Anissa, Riyadul, Bangsa. Okay, before we jump into the material, I just want to remind you that last week we talked about fairy tale stories using jumble paragraph. So that was great. It helped you understand the order of the story. So today we're going to continue learning about stories, but we'll focus on the grammar inside them.
Yes.
Okay, this is the learning objectives. Students can identify and explain those are grammar, which is past tense, sequence words, adverbs of manner to make a story more interesting and clear. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. Past tense. So we use past tense to tell about action that happened in the past, sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. Because fairy tales always talk about events from long ago, so we must use past tense. You can see the example.
Yes.
Look at the example. Please repeat after me, okay?
Yes.
Cinderella lived with her stepmother.
Cinderella lived with her stepmother.
Fairy gave her a beautiful dress. So, did you see the verb live? Cinderella live, when, and give. Those are all past tense. Jadi semuanya yang kata kerja live, when, and give itu past tense verbs. There are two types or two forms of past tense verb. The first is regular, the second is irregular verbs. Yang mana contoh dari regular verbs? Coba dilihat. Biasanya berakhiran dengan ed. Yes, next. Apa? Work. Play, work, and visited. Now about irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, the words is changed completely. Jadi kalau irregular verbs itu wordnya berubah ya. Let's see the example in here. Contohnya di sini apa?
Go.
Ya, go become when, see become so, and give become yeah. Okay, excellent. Now we move to the second one. Sequence word itu first, then, after that, and finally itu namanya sequence word. Ya. And after that, finally. Coba dibaca.
First and
So by using these words, it will make your story easy to flow. Now let's move to the last grammar that we learned today. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe how someone does something. Bagaimana seseorang itu melakukan sesuatu. This is the example. Please repeat after me. Quick. Quickly. The wolf ran quickly. Happy. Happily. They live happily ever after. Angrily. The queen looked angrily at Snow White. Snow White. Carefully. She opened the door carefully. Okay. Now I will compare. Listen to. Di antara dua sentence ini yang mana yang kedengarannya lebih bagus? Number one or number two? Why one? Two. Number two. Because it's more expressive. Yeah. So we just learned about the first is past tense. Tell about apa tadi past tense? About something in the past. Past tense apa? Tell something in the past. Sequence what? What order of event? Atau urutan kejadian dalam cerita. Adverbs of manner. Ya, atau to describe how. Nah, sekarang ayo kita coba praktis. Repeat after me. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, a little lamb emptied the ropes carefully. Finally, the lion was free, and they become good friends. Okay, now let's identify the grammar one by one. First, find the past tense verbs. Coba cari past tense verbs-nya. Di sana apa aja? No, past tense verbs. One, two. The first is was, terus ada run. Kata kerja berapa dua? Ada walk, ada run, was, came, ada ini juga.
Finally, quickly,
Carefully.
running, no,
Suddenly,
subject, itu proses bukan nilai.
let's find the adverbs of manner. Usually end with ly.
Finally.
Quickly, finally, not finally.
It's my leg.
Okay, now we move to our group activity. Please count start from number 1 until 5. Start from you. 1, 2.
Three.
Sekarang cari temannya yang nomornya sama. Group 1. Group 3.
Ikan teri.
4.
Lima.
Group 5.
Five. Siapa five, weh?
Jadi di situ ada beberapa. Tulis grupnya berapa, terus membernya sama kelas.
Oh, di depan namanya. Boleh panggilan atau nama panggilan?
Kamu berparagraf.
Okay, everyone, time's up. So let's summarize what we learned today. So today we learned about past tense, sequential, and